We are given the question: a die whose faces are marked 1, 2, 3 in red and 4, 5, 6 in green is tossed. Let A be the event number obtained is even and B be the event number obtained is red. Find if A and B are independent events. So let's see the solution. So as given in the question, A is the number obtained is even. We let so A should be 2, 4, 6 and B we let that number obtained is red. So B should be 1, 2, 3 as given according to the question. So probability of A is 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2, and probability of B is also 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. So now we calculate the intersection of A and B. As we know, 2 is common and the total outcomes is 6. So the probability of getting an even number basically comes out to be 1 by 6. Now we multiply the probability of A and B, which is half into half is equal to 1 by 4, and since it is not equal to the probability of A intersection B, which is 1 by 6, so we conclude that A and B are not independent events.